Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change NSFW settings on X. So before we start, I need to say that I highly recommend you to use your browser to go to official website of X instead of using X application, because usually it just does not show you such option and basically you're not able to change something. So go to x.com, log into your X account, and now you want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy and Safety, tap Content You See, and now this is the function that you are looking for: display media that may contain sensitive content. So depending on your preferences, if you want to see sensitive content in your X feed, then you want to enable this function, and if you don't want to see it, simply remove this tick from this checkbox so that you don't see such type of sensitive content. Additionally, let's go to search settings and now find a line that says hide sensitive content. So if you don't want to see sensitive content in your search results, then you have to have this function enabled. And if you want to see such sensitive content in your search results, then you have to remove this tick. So that's basically how you can change NSFW settings on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.